Hello students, I welcome all of you to Maths online class. So today we are going to discuss about patterns. Okay, till yesterday we were doing something about shapes. So now we will be doing about patterns. Okay, what are patterns? We see a variety of patterns in our surroundings. Okay, patterns are formed by repeating shapes. All right. So from the book I have taken the picture. I'll be showing you. Okay. See these are the patterns are formed by repeating shapes. See, these are circle shape, oval shape, right? See, it's repeated, green, then pink, green, pink, green, pink, green, pink, right? In the same way, triangle shape, it is green in color, then pink, green, pink, same size, it is repeated, right? In the same way, see the leaves here. One is pointed upwards, now it is downwards, upwards, downwards, upward, downwards. So all these are following a pattern, right? So patterns are formed by repeating shapes. All right. So patterns can also be formed by using alphabets, okay? By repeating letters and numbers. Okay. This is again different thing. Patterns are also formed by repeating two different shapes. See, one triangle, then rectangle, triangle, then rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, like that. Okay, these are also patterns. This pattern is formed by repeating two different types of shapes. Okay, now we can form patterns by repeating letters and numbers also. So how we will do? P, S, S, P, S, S, C. These are alphabets, isn't it? P, then 2S, P, double S, P, double S, P, double S, P, double S. So it is a pattern. It is repeating, isn't it? So once P, double S is written, again P, double S, P, double S, P, double S. It is going on repeating that way. In the same way, numbers, see. Patterns by using numbers. 7, 8, 9. Then again it is repeated. 7, 8, 9. Again 7, 8, 9. Okay. See 7, 8, 9, then again 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Alright. So this is a pattern followed here. Here also like this P double S, P S S, P S S. Okay. So these are the patterns. In the same way, this one patterns are formed by changing the color or inserting numbers between the two numbers. Okay. See. Patterns are also formed by shape is same, but here only color is changed. Pink, green, pink, green, pink, green, pink, green, like that. So in any form you can, or in any method you can make the pattern. The only thing is that it should be repeated. Okay. See here now again A, B, B, A. Okay. A, B, B, A. No, it's not repeated like that. A, B, B, then again A, B, B. I'll show you the pattern, okay? A, B, B, then again another one A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. Then A is written here. Then what will be the next pattern? A, B, B, right? So this is the method. Now in the same way here, see 1, double 2, 1, double 2, 1, double 2, 1, double 2, 1, double 2. So again if you want to extend it, it will be again 1, double 2. Alright, so this is from page number 56 what I have explained to you. Now let us try this from page number 57. Okay, let's try to do some patterns. Okay, so see this is plus sign, okay, isn't it? It looks like a cross. See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to extend it. So you may draw another one more cross or two more cross. Okay, it's up to you. So now they did not tell how many to do, so you can do 1 or 2 or 3 also according to the space you have. Now this leaf is upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards. Now you have to make a leaf upward, isn't it? The stem will come here and this one will be okay. It should be like this, somewhat like this. Okay, you draw it nicely, children. It will be somewhat like this. Okay. I'll try to draw once more. So since this one is downwards, Now we have to make this one upwards, right? So it will be, stem will be here, then like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, so you draw it nicely. Then the next one also, if you draw, it will be, the stem will be up, then the leaf will be like this. Okay, so you draw it nicely, children. Now in the same way, now you have to fill the colors here. Today I will not be filling the colors, you will be filling it. I will just tell. Okay, so now this is what color to be filled here? This is green, yellow. This should be again green, right? Here you should put green color. I am writing G so that you will know. Okay, here you have to put green color, here yellow color, green, yellow. You have to put the colors. I will not write because some children will write here GY. Last time I found like this. So here you have to fill colors with green. Okay, here it should be yellow, again green, again yellow. Alright. Now here blue, pink, then again blue, right? This here it should be pink, blue, pink, blue, pink and blue. So you are going to do the coloring in this way. So now here also pink and two green triangles, one pink square and two green triangles, again one pink square and two green triangles should be here. Okay, children, so you have to do it. Okay, so I have explained it to you. Now you have to complete this one. Now let us do this one. This is by repeating the numbers 68, 68, 68, right? 68, 68, 68, 68. So now again the next one will be 68. Okay, here again you have to write down 6, 8. Alright, I can't write here right now. So this one will be 1, 6, 8. Children, you have to write it down. Okay, here you will write 6, 8, again 6, 8, 6, 8. 2 or 3 times you write, that will do. Okay, now here what is the number repeated? 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So you may also write down 3, 5. Okay, and one more times if you want, you can write down 3, 5. Even if you write for one time also, it is correct. Okay, M, then double L, M, double L, M, double L, then M is given, then what you will write? Double L. Once you write also, it is okay. Alright, now let us do the mental maths. Okay, a triangle has how many sides? This is from the shapes.